Or she, I should say.
Now who's this one?
This is Latte.
Latte. Oh my gosh, she is so adorable. Look at her on top of the world. Got him in the pool.
I'm the big girl.
Latte. Latte. Oh, look at that face.
Latte. I can't talk right now.
Latte. She's like, I'm busy.
Latte. Latte. Girly girl. Girly girl, come and see Mama. Oh, through that grass.
Loves the grass.
Hi, baby girl. How's Mama's girl? How's Mama's girl?
It's Latte and Choco playing.
Yes, yes. Oh, Choco.
She is precious. She's the little tiny one, isn't she?
Yeah, yeah.
She's the tiniest one of the bunch.
Yep.
These were bottle feed puppies. And they don't like these stones on their toes.
They were found on the side of the road with their mother who had been hit by a car.